we divide 158 by 5 in a long division method. So 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this 8 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 158 divided by 5 is 31.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.